Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify ID on Airbnb. I opened Airbnb the other day and noticed I needed to verify my ID before I could get fully access certain bookings. So I logged into my account and went straight to my profile section at the top corner of the dashboard. Then I tap on my profile picture where the account status is shown and saw the identity not verified prompt. And from there, I click on the Get Verified option, which took me into the verification prompt flow where I had to upload a government issued ID like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. So I selected my ID type, uploaded clear front and back photos, making sure everything was readable and not blurry. And after that, I move into the selfie step where the app compares your live image with your ID to confirm it's really you. Then I followed the on screen instructions and allowed camera access so the system could process the verification either manually or automatically, depending on the option chosen. And once everything was submitted, I just completed the prompts and waited for approval, which honestly makes the platform feel more secure because it ensures both guests and hosts are properly verified before any booking happens. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.